Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super cool experiment. Literally, we're going to make instant ice, and I promise it's going to be both magical and scientific. So, grab your water bottles and let's get chilling. If you're excited to see water freeze before your eyes, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Here's what you'll need to create your own instant ice purified or distilled water. It needs to be really pure to work. Plastic water bottles. Make sure they're smooth and clean. A freezer. Of course, where the magic begins. A bowl filled with ice. This is for our grand finale. Step 1. Start by taking your purified water bottles and put them in the freezer. You'll want to lay them flat and make sure they're not touching each other too much. Set a timer for about 2 hours and 45 minutes, but this might vary slightly depending on your freezer. You want the water super cold but not frozen, so keep an eye on it. Step 2. Once your water is super cooled, just liquid but below freezing, it's showtime. Carefully remove a bottle from the freezer. The key here is to be gentle to not trigger the freezing just yet. Step 3. Now for the fun part. Grab your ice-filled bowl and let's make some magic. Take one of the supercooled bottles and pour it onto the ice. Watch as it turns to ice before your eyes. It's not magic, it's science. Isn't that amazing? What's happening here is called nucleation. The ice provides a surface for the supercooled water molecules to start forming solid ice, instantly turning liquid water into ice right in front of your eyes. Step 4. Want to kick it up a notch? You can also start the freezing process by simply hitting the bottle on the table or dropping an ice crystal into it. Just watch as the ice forms from top to bottom in seconds. There you have it, folks. Your very own instant ice. Try this at home, impress your friends and family, and explore the science of supercooling. Remember, all you need is some purified water, a bit of patience, and a cool hand. If you love this icy experiment, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome science tricks and tips. What experiment should we tackle next? Let us know. Until next time, keep experimenting and stay curious.